Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that helps you with your media editing so that you can edit media and tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them. And here in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I got started with my early stages of my career and how I went from point A, which is making no videos, to point B, which is having 2 media companies and so forth, and getting into the position that I'm in with my career at the moment. So I'm gonna, in a small nutshell, try to sum up all of that maybe 10 years of my career so that you can see where you could excel and learn from the mistakes that I've already made. And here in this video, basically how we're going to do that is I'm going to give you a snippet from a podcast called the Making Money Making Videos podcast, which is a podcast hosted by a YouTuber who goes by the name of It's Jack Cole. And basically me and It's Jack Cole had a podcast together on his podcast called the Making Money Making Videos podcast, where we spoke about my career, his career, things to do with freelance video editing, advertising online, the future of the internet, and teaching in schools, all those sort of things that we tackled within the podcast. But in this small snippet that I'm going to show you in the of that 2-hour podcast, we're going to go over my career and trying to sum up the early stages of my career and how I went from point A to point B. So without further ado, hopefully this provides a lot of context for you and helps you understand a perspective on the online media editing career at the moment and media advertising. Hopefully this gives you some more context and inspires you to get started with YouTube if you're not getting started with YouTube already, or a business. Maybe you want to get started with a business or freelance video editing, videography, photography, local advertising, all those sort of things. This should really provide some context and will show you my humble beginnings, a part of my humble beginnings. There is a lot more to the story, but here you're about to see just a small scope nutshell on my story so far.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. This is episode number 6, and I'm on with my man Anthony Allen. What's going on, Anthony? Tell the people a little bit about yourself, my man.
I'm good, Jack, man. How you doing yourself? You alright?
Yeah, I'm great, bro. I'm great. What's called? Introduce yourself to the people for anybody who is unaware of you.
Okay, my name's Anthony Allen. I have a YouTube channel, but I'm also a freelance video editor on Upwork, thanks to Jack. And my YouTube channel is AnthonyAllenEdits, and you can find me on Upwork doing video edits for companies and people alike.
Hell yeah. I absolutely love it. And we're going to be jumping into a little podcast today. Who knows what we're going to get to? I got a whole bunch of, I got a couple little topics. You got a couple little topics, so we're just going to jump on in. Now, I want to know a little bit about you first off the bat before we jump into anything, bro. I want to know how long you've been a video creator for.
Okay, I've been a video creator for about 10 years now.
Perfect.
I started before I left my part-time job. So I had a part-time job in Asda, Americans know it as Walmart. And while I was there, I wanted to chase my dreams. I wanted to do what I'd done best at. I wanted to do what I studied in college, and I wanted to pursue video editing or videography. Then I found the Prince's Trust charity, went through the Prince's Trust charity, completed a business plan, created a business plan for a videography business and photography business. Managed to get my funding, achieved the Enterprise Challenge. I won my funding. And then I bought my equipment. I had DSLRs, I had rigs, dollies, so forth. Started to film weddings and other videography jobs within that niche. Once that started to fizzle out, because some of those jobs started to fizzle out due to the season changes and weddings not being all year round. Yeah, definitely. I went and rebranded myself into a company called Supervids, which was solely video editing, which was my favourite part of that process of videography.
Yep.
And then after that, what happened was I was finding clients through social media, mainly Facebook, and then decided, look, I need to find a consistent wage with this. It's definitely what I want to do. I'm pursuing it to the end. And then I found Jack Cole on YouTube and managed to find out about Upwork and managed to make money consistently through Upwork. So that's in a really small nutshell, trying to group everything together. There's things in between, but that is, who Anthony Allen is, what I've done, and how I've got to the position that I'm in now.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I have uploads here for you every single day, and it will definitely help you with your media and or YouTube career, as I will be giving away knowledge that will help you to tell the stories that you want to tell with your media in the way that you want to tell them. So that's a good reason to hit the sub button and that notification bell so you do not miss a single upload. I have an upload here tomorrow. It's definitely worth checking out as well, especially if you've enjoyed this one. And if you've enjoyed this upload, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you've enjoyed it and it's the type of content that you want to see here on this channel. And answer the question down in the comment section. I always drop you a question down in the comment section so that I can learn more about you, so that I can provide the type of content that you need to help you with your media and or YouTube career. So with that all said now, I'll see you in the next upload here on Anthony Allen Edits. Peace, and see you in the next one, man.